Sujata, if you can hear me, just put on your mic and camera, please. Or Suhas. Hello. Okay. So it seems like you're here, which is good. Normally we would have more people, but I'm not sure where they went. It's already 5:35, so we still have some more time. Honestly, let's just get our started for today's lesson. Can you hear me properly, Suhas? If you can, just type in chat if you're having any audio problems. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Okay. So we'll get started with today's lesson. So hold on, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share my screen really quick. Hold on, let me just open the program that I use. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna share my screen. Just let me know if you can see it. Can you see my screen right here?
I'm focusing.
Suhas? Okay, so today's lesson is all going to be about odd and even numbers. So essentially what an odd number is, here I'll write it down for you. So, okay, we'll start with even numbers. Even numbers are any number is divisible or can be divided by 2, right? So even number is this, and then odd number is the exact opposite. So it's any number,
Yeah.
any number that is not divisible by 2. Okay? So these are our two classifications you can use. It's odd and even numbers. So if I was to give you an example, right? If there was numbers, let's say, let's do 16, right? Right here. 16 would be considered as an even number, right? Because it can be divided by 2. Let's say 16 divided by 2, right? This is 8. But if we had, let's say, 19, right? This is not divided by 2. Well, it is, but the product or the quotient of what it would give you, it would be not a whole number. So 19 would be an odd number. Do you understand? Okay. All right. So here we'll do some questions, or actually I'll do some more examples. All right. So let's say we have. Let me erase this really quick.
Show you guys. Class.
Okay. So let's do some more problems. So let's say we have 8. Right? This is a pretty simple. Hold on, let me rewrite it because it's not that good. So let's say we have 8, right? 8 would be considered an even number, right? Because if you were to divide this by 2, it would give you a whole number, which is 4, right? What if we have, let's do 15, right? 15 divided by 2. This would give you, it would be around like 7.5, right? But this is not a whole number, so it would be odd. This 15 would be an odd number. So do you understand, Suhas?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I'll do some questions for you really quick. So I'm gonna give you a number. You tell me if it's odd or even. Okay. All right. So we'll do 22 and 27, 31, and Let's do 6 and 21 and 20. We'll do 36. Okay. So is 22 an odd or even number?
Hmm.
What would it be?
22.
Yeah. So think about it, right? Can it be divided by 2?
Hmm.
All right, I'll just work it out for you. So 22, let's say, so we have 22, let's put this over to the side. So you have 22. If we divide it by 2, this gives you
Oh,
11, right? So this would be an odd number. On the other hand, right here, we have 31. So 31 divided by 2. This would not give you a whole number. It would give you something like, I don't know, maybe like 15 point something, 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 right? It would be a decimal. What that essentially means is not a
yeah.
whole number. So 31 would be an odd number. But if we had something like 30 divided by 2, what's 30 divided by 2, Suhas? If you don't know, it's perfectly fine.
Karena di
It would be 15.
15.
You see? So yeah, so
Oh,
so 30 is an even number, but 31 is an odd number. So another way you could do this, right? Actually, here we'll continue with the rest of the problems. Okay, number 3, we have 27. 27 divided by 2. This would give you not a whole number, so it would be odd, right? So this would give you odd number. 6 divided by 2. This equals 3, and that's divisible by 2, so this would be an even number right here. So 6, even number. And then 21 divided by 2. This would give you not a whole number, so it would equal odd. It would be an odd number. And 36 divided by 2. This would give you 18, which is a whole number, so 36 would be even. And same thing with 21 divided by 2, right? This is our last problem. This gives you something, I don't know, it's not a whole number, so it would be odd, right? Okay. So that's essentially some problems. Another way you can figure things out. So let's say we have just a whole sort of number. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Let's say we just had these numbers, pretty simple numbers. Another way you can figure out if it's odd or even is just simply by counting, right? So 1, this is not divisible by 2, so 1 would be odd, right? So 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even. So you understand how it's like sort of in a pattern right here? Do you understand how it's like in a pattern, Suhas?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so 1 would be an odd number, right? Odd. 2 would be even number because it's divisible by 2. 3 would be an odd number. 4 would be even number. 5 would be an odd number, etc. So it just like alternates every now and then. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Here I'm going to give you some problems to do. So I'll just give you a couple problems. We'll do 24. For 27, 12. Okay. So I want you to do these problems. So what would 24 be? Like, what would it be? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me, COS?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, let's do these problems. So 24, when divisible by 2, this gives you 12. This is a whole number, so 24 is even. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now think the same way for 4, right? 4 divided by 2 is what?
Mhm.
Okay, well, 4, here,
2.
I'll do it for you. Yeah, 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So would it be odd or even?
3.
Would it be odd or even?
Even.
Hmm? What would it be?
Odd.
No, it would be even because it's divisible by 2. So 4 would be even. Okay. And then we have 27. This would give you not a whole number, so it'd be odd. So are you understanding, Suhas?
Yeah.
Okay, so and then 12, would 12 be odd or even?
Even.
Are you there? Suhas, hello?
I'm done.
Okay, so 12 divided by 2, this should give you 6, making this an even number. Okay? Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's lesson. Hello? Hold on, I think I'm having an issue. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Suhas? Okay, while you get your things, I'm gonna take a picture of the participants list just to see our just to get our attendance. Okay, so today was just Suhas. Maybe next time there'll be more people. So would you like to do more examples, or I think more examples would be better because we still have more time left in our class. But since there's like,
Hey, there are no more people there.
yeah, I know. So since there's only one person, it's gonna be a pretty short class. But I was just asking if you want to do more questions.
I don't want to do more.
You want to do more?
No.
Do you want to? Oh, you don't?
I
Okay.
don't want to.
Well, okay, I'll just do a little quick recap here. So,
Bye.
what?
Can I leave now?
No, we still have 10 minutes left in the class. Okay. So I'll just do a little quick short recap and then you can leave, okay? So an odd or an even number, any number divisible by 2, right? And an odd number, any number not divisible by 2. So we went over this, and we also went over the number chart. So if you have numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Just 7. Oops. 7, right? We also went over this. So 1 would be, are you still there? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 1 would be odd, 2 would be even, 3 would be odd, 4 would be even, etc. So it just alternates just like that. So if 7 was odd, 8 would be, what would 8 be?
I don't know.
It would be even, right? So that's pretty much what we did in this lesson. So yeah. I think that would be the end of our lesson. But thank you so much for joining, Suhas. Our next lesson would be next weekend or next week on the same time, Thursday at 5:30. Thank you so much for joining.
Bye.
I hope you learned. Yep, bye.